Hi, in today's video, we are going to see what it costs to build a garage. If your house doesn't have a garage and you want to add one, you'll learn everything about the budget for different styles and features. Let's go. Before we start, if you need a carport, garage, or metal building, you should click on subscribe and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss out on any important tips and advice from the metal building experts at Allen's Factory Outlet. Alright, now, a garage doesn't just protect your vehicles and provide extra storage space. You're probably aware that it can boost your home's value. So we are going to break down the cost to build a garage and see how you can build a garage that fits your budget. Let's start with the garage cost per square foot. This is what you should know first. Most garages will cost around $35 to $60 per square foot to build on site. The national average cost to build a garage is about $28,000, with prices typically ranging from $10,000 to $40,000 depending on the location, materials, and size. For example, you can expect to pay more for a high-end, multi-purpose garage that includes plumbing and electrical wiring than a general garage used only for cars and storage. Alright, now moving on to the cost by garage size. You can determine how big your garage should be by looking at the number of cars you want to park inside. A single-car garage is generally 12 feet by 20 feet, with costs typically ranging between $10,000 and $27,000. A two-car garage is a minimum of 20 feet wide by 20 feet deep, which is the most common size. More ideal dimensions are at least 24 feet wide and 24 feet deep. The typical price range for a two-car garage is $20,000 to $40,000. A three-car garage is a minimum of 30 feet wide by 20 feet deep and offers more storage space. The typical cost range of a three-car garage is $40,000 to around $57,000. To calculate the best garage size for your needs, you have to consider the size of each vehicle you own, how much storage space you need, and how much space you need for accessibility. Great. Now let's talk about the cost by type of garage. For the type of garage, attached and detached design prices will vary greatly. Deciding between the two depends on your personal preference and budget. An attached garage costs between $10,000 and $40,000. Since this style shares wall space with the house, it can be cheaper to build than a detached garage using the same materials. The final cost, however, depends on interior finishing and other customization options. A detached garage made from the same materials is usually more expensive. The general price is between $19,000 and $45,000, but you have more flexibility to customize it. Now that you have the garage itself, you need a door, so let's see the cost of garage doors. The average one-car garage door costs about $700 and can range anywhere between $400 and $1,200, depending on the style and customizations. Also, a two-car garage door can cost up to $3,000. That is without installation, which generally ranges from $500 to $1,800. What changes the price of a garage door is mainly the material. Wood and aluminum doors are the cheapest options, while steel and vinyl will cost more. But don't skip on the door. It is an essential part of your garage. Let's finish with the cost of your garage features. There are common additions that can customize a garage to fit your needs, but they don't have the same price, obviously. Let's focus on three of them. Windows. They are not essential for attached garages, but they help provide natural light and are usually desirable for detached garages. Their average cost from $100 to $1,000 for one window. Next is electricity. If you plan to have lighting and electrical outlets in the garage, you can expect electrical work to cost an additional $1,000 to $2,500. Extending wiring to a detached garage will cost more. Finally, insulation. Something to consider if you plan to spend time in the garage. You can choose among spray foam, blown-in, and batting insulation. The average cost, from $400 to $2,000 for the average two-car garage size. Okay, you now have an idea of the cost of every part of your next garage. If you want to get a garage for way less than most people pay, you should check out the prefabricated metal garages at 𝗬𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗥𝗧𝗢. We can help you save thousands of dollars. And if you want an even more detailed breakdown of the cost to build a garage, you can check out our blog post in the description. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at 𝗬𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗥𝗧𝗢𝗠𝗜𝗭𝗚 to start customizing your garage. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.